Fitness guru Jack LaLanne died on Sunday, January 23, 2011 at his home in California. The 96-year-old LaLanne spent nearly his entire life promoting the benefits of exercise and nutrition. LaLanne's son tells the New York Times his father died of respiratory failure after a battle with pneumonia. Emma Bunton of the Spice Girls is engaged. People magazine reports the 35-year-old Bunton will marry longtime boyfriend Jade Jones. Bunton and Jones have been together for more than a decade. Bunton's currently expecting the couple's second child. Singer Aaron Carter is reportedly in rehab. E! Online quotes a source as saying that the 23-year-old Carter entered a private rehabilitation facility earlier this month to treat addiction issues. The nominations for this year's Razzies, or Golden Raspberry Awards, were announced this morning. The Twilight Saga Eclipse and The Last Airbender lead the pack with 9 nominations each, including Worst Picture. The Razzies are given to recognize the worst achievement in film each year. This has been Celebs in 60 Seconds.